In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel using Telegram Mobile. Launch the Telegram app. Having a Telegram channel offers several key perks that make it an effective tool for communication and audience engagement. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to broadcast messages to a large audience instantly and efficiently without clutter or algorithmic restrictions, unlike many social media platforms. Channels support unlimited subscribers, making them ideal for growing communities, businesses, or brands. In the bottom right corner, tap on the pen icon. A pop-up should appear asking you about the required permission. In the pop-up, tap on Continue. Now tap on New Channel. Here you have to give your channel a name. You can add a description and profile photo here, but I will leave them as they are and tap on the tick mark. Here you have to select your channel type. You can keep your channel as a public one, or you can change your channel to a private channel. If you choose public from here, your channel can be found in search and anyone can join it, which is good for better audience engagement. But if you choose private, people will only be able to join your channel when you share the invitation link, which is better for privacy. Choose your channel type according to your needs. In my case, I will select public. Now you can create a public link here. Let's add Epic Guide here, and if the link is available, it will show here. Otherwise, you have to change your link text. As my link is available, I will tap on the tick mark. Here you can add members to your channel from your contacts. I will select just one from here. In the bottom right corner, tap on the right arrow. Here, our channel has been created. At the top, tap on the channel name. Now tap on Channel Settings. You can adjust your channel settings from here. Following these steps, you can create a Telegram channel very easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.